Thank God it's Friday. Good evening, everybody. I want to say a very big thank you to everybody that have been so consistent from Monday right to this very moment. Probably you have not been chance to attend the live section. There is no problem. You have always been here to watch the recorded video. Thank you. You have always been reading the PDFs. Thank you. I appreciate all of you. And in fact, as I'm even leaving you people, okay, Mr. Fidele, I want to say something. As I'm even leaving you people for the beginners training, in fact, I am feeling it in my heart that I'm leaving very great people. But that is not the end of it. Like I said, there is an advanced class coming exactly on Monday. And that training will start from Monday, 10th. It will go from 10th of January and it will end 24th of January. Are you with me? That's the benefit. And let me tell you something. The truth about it is, I know by the grace of God, 10,000 naira is a very big money. But if you know that in 2022, you want a stable income that will really help you in this kind of situation we are. There's nobody that's fully a big man in Nigeria we are. In this Nigeria we are, nobody that is fully a big man. Even I know people I've met. I know what they want and why they really want to invest into this business. Are you with me? Because they discover that as they're investing big into this business, they are getting big profits. Are you with me? Forex has a whole lot of benefits. You see the profits I showed you on the WhatsApp platform, it is my own results. You see the withdrawal I made, I showed you on the platform, it was my own results. It was not somebody. If you check the account number, it's the account number I told you people to pay for the 10,000. It was 016022 2029, and my name was on that. It was not a fake account or fake alerts. I don't do anything fake. My life has never been fake from time. That's why my business has been moving. Are you with me? So what am I trying to say? If you key into that advanced class, I know it is not easy, especially this January we are. But if you key into that advanced class, I can assure you that at the end of that 2 weeks, you will know the strategy that works for you and you make your money. You see that credit alert you saw today, that was from Forex. It was not from a friend. If you look at the bottom, you will see HF Markets Limited. That is Hot Forex Market Limited because I use Hot Forex. Are you? Thank you very much. Like I said, if you cannot make full payment, there is no problem. Make part payment. But please have it in mind as you are making part payment. The upper Monday, which is exactly 21st, which is exactly 17th of January, you must make that payment before the second week of the advanced class. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please feel free. We are not in a place whereby you send money, you make calls and the person not pick. God forbid that. Mr. George, if you, I know your phone number, I know you use MTN. If you make transfer into my account, I'll be the one to pay to call you immediately. Are you with me? And some people might be wondering, is it only Forex this man is teaching? I'm not only teaching Forex. I'm still going to teach you binary, how to trade big pairs on binary to make greater amounts of money. Are you with me? All these things you see in the advanced class. My mouth is not sweet because of 10,000 naira, and I'm not lying here because of 10,000 naira. Thank you very much, everybody. All right, so let us start.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir. Yes, sir. Let's start. So now for today's training, you'll probably be wondering, what does this man have for us today? You see, I'm so happy I started something good this year because, like I said, I have never done a training of 5 days before. Since when I've been teaching online, your set is the first set I will give a training for. It has always been 4 days. But I decided, why over the Christmas period, I told myself that I want to add 1 day of practicals, which was exactly what we did yesterday, so that whoever is in the beginner's class will be convinced. You know, every reason why you want to pay your money for the advanced classes because you are convinced that, well, I believe that if I get to that class, this man will teach me what I want. That was why I added that extra day to it. And actually, your class is the first day. You see what we did yesterday? What we did yesterday was just the tip of an iceberg. When you come to the advanced class, everything will be pure practicals. I am not going to the advanced class to go there and be saying, what is Forex? Forex is the process whereby you buy and sell in the financial markets. That is what everybody can get in Google. If you go to Google, type what is Forex, everybody can get the definition of Forex. But in that advanced class, the day one, I am going to navigate through trading view, give you a full analysis of trading view. All we'll be doing on trading view will be in the advanced class. Are you with me? So that's why I beg you. I know people that they sold their properties. I'm sorry I'm saying this, but it was something that happened. They sold their items to be in that advanced class. Today, the story is very, very different. If you know what they want now, those people what they want, in fact, they're even dragging with me right now. And I'm happy because I'm progressing. They are also progressing. Are you with me? So thank you very much. So let's proceed. So for the day 5, like I said, that day 5 is going to be purely, day 5 will be purely, which is today, the use of my Facebook, investing.com, Forex Factory. I'm not talking about trading view. I talked about support and resistance. I'll teach you what first breakout and break of structure in the advanced class. So I'm going to talk about 3 things tonight, and that will be all. So let's start. The first one I'll be starting with today is my FX book. My FX book. My FX book. My FX book, what I'll be teaching you today is more of fundamental analysis. This is my FX book. So I come to my FX book, I just click on economic calendar. Is this what I'm supposed to click on? Oh, you're not seeing my screen. Let me show my screen. Okay, I think I'm in the right place. Just come here and click on home. Okay, still loading. Sorry. Just type on my FX. My FX. So just click on continue to my FX. So once you come here, navigate through, click on Forex calculator, then go to click. No, this is not where I want to go to first. Click on Forex calculator. Okay, go to Pips calculator. Oh, I've made a mistake. I'm sorry. Forex calculator. Go to position size calculator. Click on the drop down Forex calculator. Go to position size calculator. So something like this appears. Do you know what this means? This Forex calculator will only teach you how to, it will only teach you how to manage your peak in the Forex market. Are you with me? It will only teach you how to manage your peak in the Forex market. So when you come here, the current, let's say you want to deal with GBP USD, which is the currency pair, GBP USD. Once I come to, okay, let me say I even go to AUD USD. I click on AUD USD. What currency am I dealing with? I'm actually dealing with, let's say I'm actually dealing with USD. I click on USD. Then from here, what's the next thing to do? Let's say Mr. Ukeme is trading $1,000 account. Mr. Ukeme, I will type his account size, $1,000 account. Then what percentage is Mr. Ukeme willing to risk? Let's say out of $1,000 account, this man is only risking 2%. I type 2%. What pips is he working with? Let's say this man is working with 50 pips. Then what will I do? I'll click on calculate. Immediately I click on calculate. What's wrong with my network? Sorry, it was some minutes. Oh, it's out. Look at it. You see money, $20. You see unit, 4%, $0.04. Hello, class. Do you know what this means? It means that Mr. Ukeme is only entitled. It means that Mr. Ukeme is only entitled to trade $20 out of his account. It means that Mr. Ukeme is only entitled to trade rather $20 out of his account. Are you with me? So what this means is, if Mr. Okeme is using a position size calculator, he's using 2% for his account. 2% over 100. Don't know if you can see my screen. Let me click on screen again. Oh, I don't think you can. 2% over 1,000. According to the mathematicians in the house, zeros cancel zeros. 2 times 10 is what? 20. So it means Mr. Okeme can either gain $20 in the forex market on that trade. You know, when you have 1,000, it means Mr. Okeme can either gain $20 or Mr. Okeme can lose $20. Is this not better than somebody who is risking 100% of his account? Is this not better than somebody who is risking 100% of his account? This is far better than somebody who is risking 100%. Hello, I am not saying there is no advantage in risking 100%. Yes, I agree. You can risk 100%, you get a greater profit, you're smiling, your money is big. But if the loss should come, you will lose everything, and that will be so frustrating. You might lose everything, and that might be so frustrating. So that is that about position size calculator. Now, back to my FSP. There's something I'll talk about. There is something in Forex they call news trading. What's news trading all about? You come to home, you click on economic calendar. Once you click on economic calendar, let me see if NFP took place today. There's something called NFP. As I'm opening this, I'll talk about NFP. NFP is non-farm payroll. NFP, oh, it took place today. Wow, no, that matter was so fast today. NFP is non-farm payroll. Let me explain what NFP is. NFP is actually a statistic organized by the Bureau de Change, whereby it determines the economy of America, if the standard is okay or not. What am I saying? If as at 1:30 or 2:30, it was said that America will definitely have employment rates to be 330, and NFP news is released, and America is definitely going to have like 500, then it means that America is in a good situation, unlike Nigeria. Just imagine NFP happening in Nigeria. Nigeria, that unemployment rate is going down by the minutes. Are you doing? Unemployment rate is increasing in Nigeria by the minutes. Are you doing? But in America, the reverse is the case. Let's say in that situation, 300 jobs was assigned to them. What happened? You can now have probably 500. That means it's in America's favor. So what do you do whenever 2:30 is about to come? And now listen, NFP occurs every first Friday of the month. I repeat, NFP occurs every first Friday of the month. You know exactly December 31st was Friday, and on 1st of January was Saturday. Today is the first Friday. You can see it here. NFP 2:30, non-farm payroll. Non-farm payroll. Are you with me? Now, in NFP news, USD is always having greater advantage. Now, the question is, whenever NFP occurs, listen to me carefully. Whenever NFP occurs, the market will be very fast. Are you with me? I repeat, whenever NFP occurs, the market is very, very fast. At that point, traders are always careful. So many things happen today in the forex market. So many things. For those that traded, they should understand what I'm saying. If NFP occurs, let me tell you how you can survive NFP. Number one, if NFP occurs around 2:30 and you are not in the market, you can possibly wait for 15 minutes. I repeat, you can possibly wait for 15 minutes. If it now happens that the current, let's say for instance, let's go to my chart. Let's say for instance, Euro USD. Look at where USD is. So Look at where USD is. Let's say America were favored in NFP and Euro is there, America is favored. It means that Euro should be going down, America should be going up. So in this case, you should enter a sell for this currency pair. Are you with me? You should enter a sell for this currency pair. You get it? So that is that. Now, if you're entering a sell, let's say you have another currency pair like USD CAD. Let's say you have another currency pair like USD CAD. You, in this case, because USD here, the reverse is the case. You cannot enter a sell here because the best currency here is USD. What do? You enter a buy in this case. My wonderful participants, this is how I used to profit in the market too. These are, and all these methods you see are called news trading. All these methods you see, they are actually called what? News trading. That's NFP for you. That's NFP for you. So let's go. Let's proceed. There's something else I want to say. I might not be able to take Forex Factory, but don't worry, I will take investing.com. Now look at something else. Come to this place. Whenever you see that you have a value, let's go to that NFP. Whenever you see that you have impact is how far the market move has affected the trade. That's impact. Impact is more or less like how far the market move has affected the trade. I always tell people, whenever they are trading the news, trade the high. Look at it. High. Look at it. This high. Let's even see what's this retail says YOY. That's news. People that love news can be reading news. Me, I'm not really interested in the news. It's instructions that I'm interested in. Look at it. We have, for the actual, we have 7.8. For the previous, we have 1.7. For the actual, we have 7.8. For the previous, we have 1.7. So from here, it means that you can enter this market as a buy. I repeat, if you see that the actual is greater than the previous, 7.8 is greater than 1.7, what do? You enter this market as a buy. Look at this. For this, the actual is also greater than the previous. The actual is also greater than the previous. So in this case, what do? You also enter the market as a buy. But if, for instance, the actual is less than the previous. Oh, what did I say previously? Did I say the actual is greater than the previous? Yeah, actual greater, okay. If the actual is less than the previous, and this actual is less than the previous, please, what do? You enter the market as a sell, please. Not for medium and low. Let me look for high. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at it. It was even today said non-farm payroll. This was less than this. You enter this market as a sell because the actual was less than this, and this actual was also less than this. What do? You enter this market as a sell. I can even back this up with trading view, but don't worry, I will do this in the advanced class. I will show you on the trade, on the chart, how this market can truly be a sell. Are you with me? I will show you. You know, I told you if the actual is less than the previous, you enter the market as a sell. If the actual is less than the previous, you enter the market as a sell. In the advanced class, I promise you, I will show you on trading view, on the chart, how you can enter, and I will show you with the candles to prove to you that I'm not lying. And I will show you how you can benefit in 2 ways in this kind of condition. Are you with me? Thank you very much. Thank you very, 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 very much. Let's quickly, there's no time. Let's go to the next one, investing.com. 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 Oh, I love this site. I've been using this site for years and I've never regretted it for once. Investing.com shows you the number of pips that is assigned daily in the forex market. Investing.com shows you the number of pips that can be assigned weekly in the forex market. And I can also show you in investing.com how you can use trade, how you can buy, and how you can sell. The first thing you do is go to tools. Some people are really trying to enter the house. Unfortunately, network is disturbing. The first thing I'll tell you is go to choose. Just give me a minute, please. Really try to. Now, on to click on Forex volatility. Once you click on Forex volatility, see that you see that for you have to it exactly what is assigned to this currency pair. And so, how can a greedy person want to trade 100 pips? It's not possible. If they have 60.48, it means that just trade that and leave the market immediately. If you check out another one, CAD JP1, you have 85.39. 85.39 is exactly what a forex trader you should target. In most cases, why I don't even use this tool is from time I've been a man of um, 20 pips. If you look at all the pips that are here, there is no one that is 20 here. So if I come to the market, I target 20 pips, I leave, then it means that I have done something unique. Are you with me? It means that I'm following a unique pattern rather. Are you with me? So investing.com is actually a section or it's actually a place where I can use to determine your tips. Somebody might be asking, what else can I do with investing.com? Beautiful. You can use investing.com to tell when to enter the market as a buy or as a sell. Come here, come to tech. Is it technical analysis or summary? Go technical analysis. Technical analysis. Then you come here. Oh, this is not what I want. Go to technical summary. Come to technical summary. You say, oh my word, just look at this class. Euro USD. If you are enter this market as a buy, you would have made big money today. Euro USD. When you have strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, buy. Class, if I were you, sharp. I'll jump into the market as a buy. Look at this place. USD JPY. Strong sell, strong sell, strong sell. What do? You enter that market immediately as a sell. Are you with me? Just come down. Oh, sorry, my system is dragging a bit. I'll survive it. Look at this. Euro JPY. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Buy immediately. Class, let me advise you on this one that's a strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong sell. If I hear you, because a sell is ending it at the end of the day, please just buy maybe 10, 20 pips and leave the market immediately. Just buy probably 10, 20 pips and leave the market immediately. Now, unfortunately, I can't see what I want to show you. I'm going to buy strong. Hey, thank God I'm saying. You say something like moving, you see, this currency is a confirmed. Sometimes it's so slow. That's a very big money attached to it. That Euro GBP. I've made good money from that pair. If you never neutral, buy, sell, or both, because you cannot gain anything from that kind of pair. You cannot gain anything from you. If you take risk, if you take the risk, you might regret. So it's going to enter, like, look at this one now. GBP USD. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, back straight, and you make bastard money. Now, for us to see if truly Mr. Bosspower is lying, let's go to trading view. Let's see if truly that currency pair is on a strong buy. Let's see if truly I am lying. The advanced class is just a token of what? 10,000. Unfortunately, my time is really going fast. So I need to be fast with those. This is why it is not good to lie. Let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD. GBP USD. Click on GBP USD. Hello. Who can see what has happened here? For GBP USD, we said strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. I think it's now time for me to stop. I want to permit questions. Mr. Mubarak, please unmute yourself. Mr. Mubarak, are you there? Unmute yourself. Let me answer your question.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, sir. How are you doing, sir?
I'm fine, sir.
So, sir, were you able to connect with Mr. James?
No, I was on travel yesterday. I just arrived. No. So
Yeah.
I'm going to connect with him this night.
Connect
I
with him.
just enter Abuja now.
Hey, welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Well done, sir. You know why I said you should connect with Mr. James? Mr. James, God is watching my heart.
I will connect with him later.
If God is watching my heart, I have not discussed anything with Mr. James. But I want you to talk to him so that you will know if truly this man is fake or real. You understand? And Mr. James will tell you a lot of things about me. I've not told him anything about you to him. I'll not do it until you call him. Are you with me?
Okay.
So that's yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir. Yeah.
Please, concerning the payment, I would like to make the payment tomorrow.
Tomorrow, no problem. I will drop the account details this evening. I will drop the account details, everything this evening, so that everybody can start making their payments. And immediately you made that payment, Mr. Mubarak, I will, in fact, I will, please send me a screenshot or you call me. You understand? Send me a screenshot or you call me. But since I have your number, I might even be the one to call you, sir. I might call you myself.
No problem.
Yes.
No problem.
Yeah, I will drop the account details this evening. Yeah. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, class. The last one is Forex Factory. Forex Factory is like this. You have charts, you have news. It's very similar to the rest I just put about. Thank you very, very much, class. I want to permit questions. Your question can be about the advanced class. There's no problem. I want to permit question. Anywhere your question is coming from, I'm ready to attend to it. Yes. We have just 6 minutes to do all of this. I want to permit question. Hello, Mr. George. Hello. Hello. Mr. George. The network is bad. Mr. George. Okay, when Mr. George is trying to connect, who else have a question for me? Mr. Fidelia, you don't have a question for me?
Mr. Factory.
Yeah, Mr. George. Good evening, sir.
Yes, I said I thought you wanted to explain the Forex Factory.
Yes, I've explained already. I said you just play with it. It has the news. It's just like others. Yes, and charts and all of that.
It's like others. Okay. What about the slide for the yesterday's class on resistance and support? You didn't send.
It's already on my YouTube link now. It's already on my YouTube link, Mr. George.
Okay, I'm talking about the slide, the PDF slide or the PPT slide.
Oh, support and instance slide. I'm sorry. Actually, that slide is for advanced class. No, come to advanced class. I will give you.
Because I was trying to see. You know, after the class, I used to go through them.
In fact, in the advanced class, the slide is about 13-15. The slide for this is about 13-15 in the advanced class. Don't worry.
So for the advanced class, we still have all those slides now.
Everything.
Slides. I really appreciate this one. It's a great privilege.
Thank you, sir.
I just look at that news and other things. It's a good one.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, thank you very much.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Let's see how it goes. I will give you a comment between today and Sunday.
No problem, sir. No problem, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah. All right. Mr. Yeah, hello, all right, sir. Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. You're welcome.
Yeah, I so much appreciate the training so much. Only that I'm still lagging behind.
I understand.
So I'll still contact you on your WhatsApp and to tell you more about my problems and where we will start from. But I appreciate and I learned one or two things. And I still want to go on with you.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. I appreciate it. Mr. Ukeme, you don't have a question for me? I'm not disturbing people now. Ask your questions. Mr. Ukeme, you don't have a question, Mr. John, Mr. Emmanuel, Mr. Emami. Nobody, you don't have a question for me? Okay. Okay. If there's no question, thank you very much. Thank you very, very, very much, everybody. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. I really wish you guys well, and I hope to see you all in the advanced class. Thank you very much. Good night. I will send,
Yes, sir.
I will send this video. I'll put it on my. Thank you so much. I appreciate this class. So the subscription I got from this channel or from this class was wonderful. It was so wonderful. I appreciate you. I beg you all, try your best. Try your best to be in that advanced class. You will see if 1 week can be this interesting to you, you can imagine what 2 weeks will be like. I mean, 1 week plus 2 weeks is almost like 3 weeks of training. Are you able on 10,000 naira? Because you had 1 week of free training, you had free PDFs, free videos. Do you know that those videos I have been sending to you people and those PDFs I've been sending to people, do you know I sell them online? I sell them. I sell them for a particular amount online. Are you? In fact, there was somebody who bought those materials and told me that he wanted to further with me. He wants to continue with me. Are you with me? I sell those materials, but you still got it at this rate. So thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate you all. Good night, and see you all in the advance. Bye for now.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, good night. Thank you, sir. Yeah, good night.
Good
Thank you,
night,
sir.
sir. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you, Mr. Alpin.
Yeah, I will join your class.
Sir?
I said I will join your advanced class.
Oh, no problem, sir. No problem. You're highly welcome, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.